Welcome back to our CNC tutorial series. Today, we're exploring two crucial G codes, G02 and G03, which allow us to command our CNC machine to move in arcs or circles. Let's dive in. In CNC programming, straight lines are relatively simple to command, but what about curves, circles, or any circular movements? That's where G02 and G03 come into play. G02 is used for clockwise arcs and circles, while G03 is used for counterclockwise arcs and circles. Just as with G00 and G01, the leading zero is optional. You can use G2 and G3 as well. To command the machine to move in an arc, we need to specify the end point of the arc and the radius or the center of the arc. Here is how we do it in a typical G-code command. In this example, X20 and Y10 are the endpoints of the arc in the X and Y axes, respectively. I5 and J0 define the center point of the arc relative to the start point. The I and J codes denote the distance from the start point of the arc to the center of the arc along the X and Y axes, respectively. Remember, with G02, the machine will move in a clockwise direction, and with G03, it will move counterclockwise. The start point is always the current position of the tool. It's crucial to choose the right G-code for the direction you want the machine to move in, or else your tool might take a much longer path than intended, or even worse, cut into your material where it shouldn't. So, that's how we use G02 and G03 to command CNC machines to make arcs or circles. Whether you're carving a decorative detail or cutting out a circle, these codes give your machine the ability to handle more than just straight lines. That wraps up our exploration of G02 and G03. In the next episode, we'll delve deeper into the world of G codes. Until then, happy machining!